Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh and let's get straight into the video. This right here is the 6-hour Ethereum chart, and currently Ethereum is forming a bullish divergence, which is the exact opposite of this bearish divergence we saw just a few weeks ago. And in case you are new to this channel, these divergences basically mean the trend is losing momentum. So for example, this uptrend going into a bearish divergence means that the price of Ethereum is losing that bullish momentum and we're starting to flip a little bit more bearish. But as I just said, a bullish divergence is the exact opposite. This bearish trend is beginning to lose some of that bearish momentum, and we could be due for a little bit more bullish price action moving forward. But something important to point out is the fact that this bullish divergence, technically speaking, is currently not as significant as this previous bearish divergence. And the reason behind that is because this bullish divergence is only visible up towards around the 6-hour time frame, and it is not visible on larger time frames like the daily Ethereum chart. Whereas that previous bearish divergence I just spoke about was visible on the daily Ethereum chart. And for any of the beginners out there, the bigger the time frame, the more significant it is. So once again, the fact that this bullish divergence is not visible on the daily time frame means, technically speaking, it is not as significant as this bearish divergence, which means we might not necessarily see the same result as that bearish divergence. But speaking about the daily Ethereum chart, we have our Fibonacci retracement tool drawn from the January low up to the local high, and that places the 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is the second most important Fibonacci level, at around 2,950. And at the time of recording this video, Ethereum is still finding support at that price. And then we have the 50% retracement coming in at around 2.8k, but more importantly, the golden pocket coming in at around 2,500 to 2.6k. If we actually make it to those prices, we should be expecting a lot of support down there. And if you're looking at the daily price oscillators, we have not flipped bullish just yet, but currently the daily RSI is starting to flatten out. And looking in the daily MACD, we are still at least a few days away from seeing a bullish cross. But with that being said, looking in the histogram within the MACD indicator, this is slowly trending to the upside, which basically means this bearish momentum is slowly fading away in the shorter term as we're seeing signals like this bullish divergence, for example. And over here on the 3-day Ethereum chart, honestly, nothing much has happened over the past few days. Technically speaking, the price of Ethereum is still looking bullish on the larger time frames when you're talking about the larger price structure here, because obviously the price of Ethereum is still forming higher lows on the larger time frames, and we're also forming higher highs, whether you're looking at these highs just here or these highs all the way up here. And so the price of Ethereum would only start flipping much more bearish again on the larger time frames if we see a confirmed break below this massive ascending line of support coming in at around 2.6k approximately. And as for resistance, we have some major resistance coming into play at around 3.5k to 3.6k. And now giving you a quick update on the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. Here we are on the daily time frame, and right now Ethereum is pulling back against Bitcoin. And obviously I've been talking about this over the past 5 days because we've been looking at this massive bearish divergence on the daily time frame. And on top of that, we have also seen a bearish cross in the daily Ethereum MACD for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And in case you are new to this channel, when Ethereum pulls back against Bitcoin, that basically just means Ethereum is underperforming against Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum at the moment. And we can also see this in the Bitcoin dominance chart on the daily time frame. We are currently getting another bounce from this massive level of support coming in at around 41.3% Bitcoin dominance. And while the Bitcoin dominance is getting a bounce from that level of support, looking in the daily RSI, this is beginning a new uptrend, which is technically more of a bullish signal. And looking in the daily MACD, we have just seen a bullish cross, which is obviously a bullish signal. And for any of the beginners out there, when the Bitcoin dominance is moving to the upside, that is bullish for Bitcoin against the altcoins, but it usually means the majority of the altcoins out there would be underperforming against Bitcoin as the Bitcoin dominance is moving to the upside. Now, obviously, because there is tens of thousands of altcoins, there are going to be some outliers, but this is just the majority of altcoins. And then on the flip side, when we see the Bitcoin dominance in a downtrend, that is also known as an altcoin season, because the altcoins on average are doing a lot better than Bitcoin. And if you want to stay up to date in the crypto markets at all times, make sure you follow me over on my Twitter, and the link to my Twitter is in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. But anyway, if you made it this far in the video, you might as well leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And before you click off, if you want to make more money in crypto, whether or not prices are going up or down, these 2 videos popping up right here on your screen are definitely for you to watch. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.